What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do another little experiment on our test fender right here. Now this video is asked by one of my viewers. He says he painted his car with the RUSTOLEUM. This is the satin Oasis blue. So he painted his car with the Oasis blue, and he wanted to know what would happen if he would spray some ghost blue over it. So we're gonna find out today. Now these ghost pearls, these are like interference pearls. So if you spray it over a light base, it'll just give you like a subtle effect, subtle like a blue effect. And if you spray it towards like a black base, it'll completely turn the black into a blue. But we'll see what happens with this blue. It's very nice blue, and just give it another little subtle effect of blue here. So we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and start by spraying some Oasis blue on this test fender. Alright, so here's the Oasis blue. I let this fender dry for about half hour, give or take. And right now it's pretty much dry, safe to touch. I noticed that the spray can wasn't spraying so perfectly, so I got this little bit of texture. And before I continue adding any more layers, I kind of want to sand the surface right here with 1000 grit just to make it smooth. And that'll just give us a perfect finish for the next layer, which is going to be the inner coat with the pigments. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just off camera, just quickly go ahead and just sand the surface, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright, so I just finished wet sanding the fender, so now we're good to go. Next up is the inner coat with the pigments. We're going to be using the ghost blue. So this one, if you check the Eye Candy website on the description of the ghost blue, it tells you to use 25 grams per every 1 quart of clear. You want to mix this, but in small batches. Following the 25 grams per quart, it's about 0.78125 of a gram, of pigment per every 1 ounce of clear. Now this clear mix is on a 1-to-1, so right here we still have 1 gallon of clear, not the reducer, so it doesn't count as two gallons, it counts as 1. So right here, this is the one that you're going to spray. So let's just say you use about 7 ounces of Intercoat Clear in here, so you would use about 5 grams of ghost blue. So you could be eccentric and do a 1-to-1, so every 1 ounce of Intercoat you can add 1 gram of ghost blue, but as creative as you can. Right now I'm going to go ahead and just get a few ounces of this, of the Intercoat Clear, mix it on a probably 2-to-1 or 1-to-1 with the reducer, and just following everything by weight right here. Right here I weigh by milliliters instead of ounces. Milliliters is a little bit more accurate. 200 milliliters is 7 ounces, plus another 200 of the reducer is another 7 ounces, so that's 14 ounces. So 7 ounces of the Intercoat Clear plus the 5 grams of the ghost blue, and mix it up. It's 5 grams for 14 ounces mixed 1-to-1. Alright, so tipping a whole gallon into a quart to get some paint is pretty sketch. But what you can do is put the mixing cup on the side and just dip the mixing stick and just scrape it. Get a side shot right there. Just scrape it on the side of the cup. It'll take you a bit, but you won't make a mess. You'll save material. at 180 milliliters. Just 20 milliliters shy of 200. There you go. Alright, so here's the ghost blue, and here's my little teaspoon or gram spoon. So roughly every 1 teaspoon like this is about a gram. So right here it's about 7 ounces. So I'm gonna add like, I think right there, I think give it a nice effect, but right there. Ghost blue over Oasis blue. Let's go. Alright, so I'm spraying light coats. This, I believe, is the 3rd coat. And, well, I can already see the effect. We'll see what the camera picks up. But I can see the ghost effect on the color. This is the color by RUSTOLEUM, Oasis Blue. And the ghost pigment by Eye Candy, which is the ghost blue. But yeah, I'm going to just continue spraying light coats like this. Alright guys, so here's our fender. I'm done spraying the inner coat with the ghost blue, and everything looks pretty good. I can see some of the effect already. So right now we're just about to spray some clear coat. Down here, I went ahead and resprayed with the rattle can. This is going to be our control color, meaning this is just the color itself, Oasis Blue with no pearl. And then this top part is the one with pearl. So after we're done spraying the clear coat, make sure everything's done, we'll put it outside into the sun. Right, so this video is for what was it, Stony Brown TV. Wanted to see this combination of colors, the Oasis with the ghost blue over it, and here it is. So it has its nice colors in there. What I'm noticing, there's the Oasis by itself, just clear coat, no pearl. This is like our control color right here. Over here is with the ghost blue pearl. So several layers and then the clear coat. So you could tell that it kind of changes the color a little bit. Like this is more of the blue, and then this one is like the aqua or teal, something like that. But then when the sun hits it and it shows off like the ghost blue, like it turns it kind of teal, and then when the ghost blue pops out, it kind of looks back like this one. But you know, the Oasis doesn't have any metallic in it, any glitter, and here at least you'll see some. Now this is the ghost one. They also have the glimmer and the galactic, which are different size particles, the galactic being the bigger ones. I'm not sure the exactly like the micron size, but worth the look, you know. Like overall the color looks alright, something unique, different, you know, the whole color painted like that, not with a different color section, but like the whole color painted like this. I think it's gonna be a beautiful color, very unique color. So yeah, I'd say I like it. Other than that, all right, guys. Today's a pretty hot day. It's mixed because it is cloudy. Check that out. It's cloudy, like it's gonna rain, but then it feels so humid. Like my shirt, I think it's wet, but all sweaty. But anyways, just what do you guys think about the colors? You know, the Intercoat. I used 7 ounces of Intercoat and 7 ounces of reducer, so I mixed it on a 1-to-1. Reduced it on a 1-to-1. But on those 7 ounces of Intercoat, I added 5 grams of the Ghost Blue pigment. So that's following the 25 grams per quart, you know, which makes it about 0.78125 of a gram per every 1 ounce of Intercoat. But other than that, the clear coat, I actually mixed a little bit extra. Like I didn't plan to. I just miscalculated, and I actually mixed 15 ounces of clear. So those 15 ounces of clear, I sprayed them on that fender. There was just a little bit that was left over on the spray gun. I didn't want to keep on. I didn't want to bother it. You know, keep on spraying over it. But yeah, overall the fender turned out pretty cool. Like the color is very nice, and the clear coat I haven't reviewed it. Like I've been spraying it basically just like twice, 3 times already, and it's been working pretty good. But you know, like just kind of getting a feel for it. So far as you know, it's like very high gloss, and just sprays very nice as well. So I mean, so far pretty good. And as far as the inner coat, that comes from there's this little bug flying around. The Intercoat comes from Auto Paint HQ. You know, they have a website and they also have an eBay store. But I've worked with them in the past. I've sprayed the Black Crystal Diamond, the Victory Red, the Destroyer Gray. I've sprayed many colors, all the way to like, what is it, like candy? The candy Camaro. But you know, very good products. I do highly recommend their products. This is just Intercoat, so it's really good for you know, like stuff like this. If you're going to spray pigments, flakes, or anything like that over your car, you know, this dries well. You know, sprays well, dries well, and you know, like just awesome product. And as far as the pigments as well, from Eye Candy Pigments, lately I've been using them, and there's just amazing colors, amazing products. So again, just another highly recommended product. So just check them out. I'll have all the links and descriptions so you guys can just check them out freely on your own time. And all that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out.